Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is the 19th of April 2025, and the top news for crypto is as follows. We will go to our companies today and throughout Easter, as the market is not really moving at all. A company bought Bitcoin, and we referred to Abraxas Capital, which is a company based in London and bought 2,949 Bitcoin, which are worth $250 million just yesterday. According to blockchain analysis, we go to BNB, the Binance chain, which we learned successfully completed the 31st 3-month BNB burn, resulting in a total burn of 1.57 billion BNB, all of which are worth $916 million. Based on the roadmap, BNB will continue to burn until its supply reaches 100 million BNB, and then it will stop, as far as we know. Moving on from BNB, we're going to go to another major exchange chain, and that's the Base chain, which is Ethereum's layer 2. We learned that it wants to upgrade in Q2 2025, and the 3 major upgrades it wants to make are: first, to become more decentralized; second, to get to a 100 millisecond block time; and third, to increase the block size to 50 megagas per second. And of the upgrades that Base wants to make, we're going to go to something that it did that the community didn't like at all, and that's it released a meme coin, which crashed 95% of the time from the start. What happened is that Base was criticized by the community for allowing the creation of a currency that lost most of its value immediately after launch. Let's say that this coin was launched on Zora, an online social media network that automatically converts posts into coins. So essentially, Base gave permission for these posts to be converted into coins through Zora. Shortly after its launch, the Basis for Everyone coin fell by 95%, costing over $15 million. If we look at our DEX, we're referring to the second red one, as you can see. Then the price went up. Let's say that according to Lookin Chain, 3 wallets had bought large quantities of this particular coin before Base gave official approval, so they probably knew something. Furthermore, it becomes much more interesting in the description, as according to the description of this particular coin on Zora, it notes that the coin is not affiliated with Base or Coinbase, and traders of the coin should not expect profits or returns. However, in the same description, it says that the Base will receive 10 million marks from the total contribution of $1 billion as a creator. And you can see all of this. I'll have a link in the description, and we're referring to this description, which in the same description says that Coinbase and the Base are not related. However, as a creator, they will receive coins. And the latest news on this case is that the creator of the Base has gone public and apologized for the release of this memecoin. Moving on to the crypto market, we go to Bitcoin, which is at $85,000, with the price moving very little due to Easter, so no one is interested in the market. Let's also say that this year, Orthodox and Catholic Easter coincided, so most people are indifferent to the markets. That wraps up the top news for crypto. Today is the 19th of April, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.